Hello. So for today's vlog, kahit hindi ako vlogger, I just want to share the changes that I have ever since I started taking testosterone. Okay, so my name is Rhea and I started testosterone last year, month of September. So what are the changes? Ano yung mga pagbabago? Una, siyempre yung boses, di ba? Nagiging deep siya. It's getting deep and deeper. And physically, I have a lot of pimples. Yan, as you can see. Yan. And I'm starting to have or grow my mustache, my beard as well. I have here. It's not actually visible on the camera, but I have. And I show some of my here. And also my muscle. Parang si Incredible Hulk pag nagte-transform siya, my muscles are getting tight. Parang ganun, lumalaki, parang ganun. And then my libido, it's literally increasing. Yun, so far, yun yung mga changes na meron ako. And of course, my mood, medyo talagang nagiging hot-tempered ako ngayon. So, ayun.